What's up everybody, Josh here with another exciting Photoshop tutorial. And if you don't have Photoshop yet, go ahead and click the link in the description. You can get a free trial of Adobe Photoshop and all of Adobe's creative cloud softwares. Everything from Adobe Photoshop to Premiere Pro to After Effects, InDesign, the list goes on. I'll also drop a link to this photo in the description below if you want to use the same photo to try this feature out. So today we're going to be using Adobe's Neural Engine. Now, if you're not familiar with the Neural Engine, it is an AI-powered filter, and there are a bunch of different ones that Adobe has included in Photoshop. A lot of them are still in beta, but they are available. So let's try one out today. So let's go to Filter, Neural Filters, and we're going to be using this first one here today, Skin Smoothing. Now first, let's go ahead and zoom in so we can get a better look at the face. And all we're going to do is hit this little toggle. Now, when you first open the dialog, you may need to download these first. But once you have them downloaded, you'll have a little toggle button. Go ahead and hit that. And pretty much instantly, I mean, depending on your internet connection, it's going to smooth out those wrinkles to a certain extent. It's going to lighten the lines, it's going to smooth them over. Now on the settings here, you can see we have a blur and a smoothness. Now if we adjust the blur, you can see that that is giving us a little bit of an option, how much kind of glow we want to the skin. 50% actually looks pretty good. It just gives you a little subtle glow. Smoothness, if we adjust that, at least in this particular instance, I'm not seeing a whole lot of change. So smoothness may or may not benefit you in your final piece. Now, because these neural filters are always in development and they're creating new ones all the time, Adobe wants to know if you're satisfied with the results, so you should definitely let them know. And I should also mention this. So down here you have Show Original, so you can click that, see what the original looked like. So yeah, it actually takes a few years off of that face, for sure. Now over here at Output, you have a couple options. You can do Current Layer, or if you want to be non-destructive with it, you can do a new layer masked, which will just have a mask of the adjustments over the original photo. You can do a smart filter, or you can do a new document. So let's try a couple of these. Let's do new layer masked, hit OK. And now if we zoom in, there's our adjusted face. And we can turn those adjustments on and off. And if I alt-click the mask, you can see that is what is being adjusted, what is being smoothed. So let's actually undo that. Go back to the original. Let's go back to our neural filters. And let's try one more. Let's try just our default settings. And let's go Smart Filter and hit OK. And now it's going to apply it as a smart filter. It's converted our layer to a smart object, applied the smart filters, and now you can just turn those on and off that way. Anyway, that's all we're looking at today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe, because new Photoshop and Premiere tutorials are going to be coming out all the time. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.